Welcome to today's MtoM Minute. I'm Christine.
And I'm Sam, and today we're going to be discussing some new, exciting, cutting-edge technology, virtual reality.
As many of you have probably heard, Facebook has released the new Oculus Go, and we're really excited about it because it is one that you can use without your phone or a headset.
Yeah, not only can you truly take it on the go, but its affordable $200 price tag actually grants you access to over 1,000 virtual reality experiences, everything from action games to immersing yourself in stories to connecting with your friends across the globe.
And we're excited for the potential of VR in the marketing world, and it's been a race for marketers to figure out how to connect with people while they're fully immersed.
Although it is still in the experimental phase, because research has shown that over 50% of VR users are actively using ad blocking technology.
So are we going to be able to reach people natively? We don't know.